you go. Ready?
Oh, yay!
She likes that.
Want to try another?
Yeah, look at this one's got a couple bumpies.
Want to try this one? It's a little crazy. You ready?
Wow! Do you like that?
Look at that one, huh?
She's like, wow. That was a little different. Got a little.
Like that one? Is she smiling when she does that?
Oh, yeah.
She is?
Yeah. She likes it.
Is that fun? Look at her big girl. Whoa.
You want to get right in the middle?
Oh, she's okay. She's okay. She's okay.
Did you twist her arm?
No. No, she's okay.
Oh, honey.
Yeah, you got some little wood chips on the butt. It's okay.
It's okay.
Hi. How cute are you in that little outfit? Yeah, you're pretty cute. Yeah, you are. Your little tight jeans. Oh, Amelia, where are you? Amelia. Hello, Amelia. Oh, there she is. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Yeah. Yeah. Where are you going? What you up to today, huh? Other than cutting some more teeth. Are you cutting more teeth? Huh? Is that what you're doing? Where are you going? Where are you going? Amelia, where are you going? Pika. Peekaboo! There she is! Peekaboo! Amelia! Where are you? Pika! Pika! Where are you? Amelia! There she is! Hi! Peekaboo! Peekaboo. Yeah. Are you going to be nice now? Or are you still going to have a temper tantrum? Where's Daddy? Daddy loves you.
I love you. Come here. Come here.
Daddy wants to hold you like a baby. He wants to hold you like a baby.
There. There. Who's my baby? We'll show this to you when you're older and you can tell me what exactly you're saying.
Daddy's gonna get you. He's gonna get you.
Oh. Oh.
Oh. Are you gonna show Mommy how you get up on the couch? You gonna show Mommy? Come on. Are you gonna get up? Up. Yep. She gets right up but stands up. So it's very nerve-wracking, but she does it. She does it very easily. This is like the 6th time she's done it today. Just thought you'd like to see. Here it comes. Want bubbles? bubble. You ready for more? You want some more bubbles? Are you ready for some more bubbles? Do you want more? Here it comes. Bubbles, bubbles, bubbles. I want more bubbles. I love my bubbles. Bubbles. Here we go. Here we go. Some more bubbles for you. Are you ready for more bubbles? Here we go. Here we go. Uh-huh. Bubble. Can't catch those bubbles. Catch the bubbles? Is that what you're trying to do? Here we go. Where'd they go? What's the matter with those bubbles? They keep disappearing all the time. They do. They keep disappearing. Where are they going? See if Grammy can make some more for you. Here we go. Yeah. Oops. Bubbles. Bubbles. Mm-hmm. You liking those bubbles? Want more? Okay, here we go. Are you ready for bubbles? Here goes. Here goes. Get them. Bubble. Bubble. Elmo.
Say hello, Dorothy. Oh, guess what I was thinking about today? Snow. Did you guess yet? Rain, snow, wind, sun. It's all driven for
Where's Elmo?
You know, weather. Oh, Elmo's a little under the weather.
Yeah, Pam takes a movie at one, I hit her right in the eye. She does.
Thank you. Here you go.
Oh.
You did.
She looks at grandma.
Yeah.
Putting them all in a neat pile.
Put it over
Where's
there.
Amelia?
Where'd she go?
Where is she? Peekaboo. Where is Amelia? Amelia, right? Peekaboo. What are you doing, silly? Are you being silly?
No, Carol had it. Yay! Bah.
I'm gonna get my phone too.
Okay. Is that your ball? Ah! Here you go. Can I have the ball? That is like the perfect toy for her out here.
What?
This is the perfect toy for her out here.
Yeah. Wow. Wow. Look at him. Look at it. Still going.
You want more?
Wow.
You want more bubbles?
More bubbles? Huh? More?
Yay!
Get him.
Let me take it over here, farther away.
Get him for Auntie.
Oh, and here's the ball. Okay, here you go.
Ball time. She want her wagon or a bike? Hmm? Does she want her little tricycle or? Oh, maybe. I'll get it. Or a wagon. Where's the ball? Oh. I don't think they want to bring it. Can we get the bubbles? It's out of gas.
You might have to prime it again.
Bubble. 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 Bubble.
There. You did it. You fixed it.
Bubble.
Bubbles. Oh, there goes the bubble. Oh, look at. Oh, we have bubbles here.
Bubble. Bubble.
Bubbles. Did you see? Lots of bubbles. Look at. There they go.
Bubble.
Uh-huh. Look at. Bubbles.
Really?
Hmm?
Bubble.
Bubble. Bubble. Oh,
Oh, nice.
get them. Here they come. Oh, they're going the wrong way. Okay. Wait. Oh, almost.
Where's the music?
What's your name, sweetie? Corley. That's Amelia.
You want that music?
Where's the music?
She's wearing shoes that have a little bit of a platform to them, and she's almost outgrowing them, so I thought I'd give her a chance to walk around in them, and she likes the way they go clunk, clunk, clunk. Clunky, clunky, clunk. Clunk, clunk, clunk. But you're doing pretty good in them. See the little shoes? They got the little platforms on them. And they're purple. Purple shoes. Yeah. Purple. She already knows how to balance on little platform heel.
Baby.
You are so cute. Yeah. No, no stairs. No stairs. This way. Thank you, sweetie. There you go. Let's go. Let's take a walk.
Yeah.
Okay.
Sure.
Come on. Leave those shoes there, sweetie. Those aren't yours. Come on. Come with Grammy. Can you come with Grammy? Come on.
Yeah. Sure. Yeah. Car.
You heard the car. Come on. Doggy, yeah. That's Doggy.
Daddy.
Doggy.
Uh-oh.
You hear where he is, don't you? Doggy's in there. Is that the doggy barking? Roof, roof, roof. Roof, 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 roof. Yeah.
Hey. Whoa.
Ruff, 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 ruff. Let's move so the doggy doesn't have to get worried anymore, okay? There you go. Good girl. Let's go. Go. Go, go. Go, go. You are doing really good on those little platform shoes. I can't get over it. You're doing good. Yeah. Easy there now. Yeah. No stairs. No stairs. No, no. Sorry. No stairs.
Yeah.
Let's go. Go, go.
Go.
No, no stairs. No stairs. No stairs.
Swings. Go on the swings.
Are you having fun? Huh? You having fun? It's nice, isn't it? Oh my goodness, are you washing the patio? Is that what you're doing? Hmm? She loves playing in the water. So I found if I put the little mat down, then it doesn't get slippery for her over there. And that's what we'll do from now on, because this patio gets kind of slick when it gets wet. And she can have a good time. And it also cleans the mat. Yay! Are you having fun, Amelia? Huh? Are you having fun? I think you are. I think you are. So it's a nice warm day out and the sun isn't on the patio now. So Amelia's all dressed to play in the water. She loves playing in the water. What's her favorite?
Yeah.
Yeah, you love it. Yeah, water. Water.
Hey.
Yeah. And that's a boat. Is that your boat? Can you say hi?
Hi.
Well, say hi over here. Say hi to Grammy and anybody who wants to
Hi.
watch. Oh, she sees herself in the window.
Babies.
Yes, that's you. That's Amelia.
Mom.
Yeah. And she sees herself in the water. Yeah.
Mom.
It's fun. Yeah. Oh boy, make a mess. But it's just water. It's okay, huh? Yeah.
Wee.
Whee! Oh, that's fun. Yeah. There you go. See, that's better over there because it's not as slippery, huh? Yeah. Yeah, you want to pour water through there? Want to pour water? Put some water. Mm-hmm. Oh, you're going to check out the plants? Oh, you don't have to clean the patio, sweetie. It's okay.
Tomorrow. Pee.
Remember when she was a little weirded out by the swimming?
Yeah, it didn't last long though.
What is yours, Jesse? No. Yeah. My dad. Yeah.
Gabby! Hi! Hi!
Wee.
Whee! Whee!
Good job. Wee. Let me talk to Joan right here. Then they went back to
Probably do it.
Oh, where are you? Amelia, where are you? Amelia, where are you?
Amelia, come down the slide. Come here, boo. Come on. Come on.
Side. Okay, go.
Go for it. Go, go.
Go, go, go.
Come on. You're going down the slide. Yes.
Whee! Whoa! Yay! Yay! Swings?
Wow,
You
she
like your
really likes to
swings.
swing.
It's gonna be 100 degrees. It's gonna be 100 degrees later.
Whoa. You're not really sitting in it now.
I know.
Hang on. Hang on, boo.
Thank you, Omer.
There you
For the
go.
beautiful weather. Thank you, God.
Amen.
That's right. I'm saying thank you for the weather because this is my not happening desert. I know. It'll be like, it'll be blue. Did you know, Dad,
Whee!
how to, like, to get into water without
the baby likes that. Baby likes that riding. You gonna wipe the baby's nose? Yeah, wipe the baby's nose. Does your nose need to be wiped? Okay. Oh my goodness, what color is that? Huh? What is that color? What is it? What color is it? I think it might be... What color? What color?
What's that?
Well, you tell me. What is it?
What's that?
Mm-hmm.
Put away.
You put it away. That's good, so it won't dry up. I'm getting it all over your little hands. You want to try to do it yourself? I know.
Baby picture.
No, I'm taking a, showing you draw. There you go. Put it right in there. That's it. Perfect. Yay. What other colors? What color is that?
Blue.
That's blue, yeah. Do you need me to open it?
Yeah.
What other colors? Look at how pretty you did. Look at, there's your hands. You did very well, and Grammy wrote your name on there. You like those, don't you? Do you like your little bucket for you? Little Hello Kitty? Hello Kitty. Yeah. Yeah. Do you love all your new things? You do. Yes, you do. Okay.
Before we start playing music, just one.
Just gave her a kiss.
Who's that?
I'll be right back.
Okay. That's the deal.
Let's go.
Hey, where are you going? Hey, come back here. Amelia, come over here, honey. Look, lots of bubbles over here. Bye-bye, Bubbles. What'd you say?
A boy.
Oh boy. Okay. Now what are you going to do with that rainwater? Oh, what did the plant say?
Thank you, some plant.
Yep. Thank you, said the plant. So she's found a way to get the rainwater out of there. Oh, we're going to have to change her. But she's found a way to get the rainwater out of there, and she's putting it on the plants. So we're just kind of enjoying the day while we can. But it's going to be raining a lot tomorrow, so she'll be at school, but she'll probably have to play inside all day. It's really nice out right now, but you can hear the wind is starting to pick up, which means it's going to get cooler. Okay, throw it on the plant. Put it on the plant. The plant wants the water. Yeah. And then it gets more flowers. Thank you, said the plant. Not going to show you the next thing because I'm going to take her in pretty soon. She's not going to like that. But she has a chance to play outside. It was fun.
Hua, 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 hua. Here, get that one. Get him. Hua. Oh. You make it last a little bubbles. Whoa.
Do it this way.
Blow the bubbles like Grammy. Whoa. Yeah. And get him now. Get him. Fua. Get him. Fua. Grab him. Get him. Fua. Fua. Watch this one.
And get up here.
Yeah.
Up here? Do you want the up,
Where are you going?
up here?
She's gonna go even.
Oh,
Oh,
boy.
wow.
Wow.
All right.
All right.
Okay.
Okay. Go ahead. I'll hold it. Here we go. Whoa.
Fwa, fwa, fwa.
Fwa, fwa, fwa. You want to stand up? Oh, oh, fwa, 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 fwa. Fwa, 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 fwa. Bop. Bop. The one behind you. Oh, right there. Oh. Look at this one. Oh, get it. Can you get that one? Grab it.
It's gonna
Here it
fall.
comes. Here it comes. Oh. It went away. Fwa, fwa, fwa. Fwa, fwa. Fwa. There's one behind you. Pop. There's one right there. Oh. Pop. There's another little bitty. Oh, it's gone.
Yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
I'm gonna hold it.
No. It's up to Daddy. No, no.
Daddy wants to help you.
Yeah. Okay. Oh. Fwa. 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 Oh, get that one. Get that. Get it. Get it. Good job. Ha. 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 Okay. She made no more stuff.
I mean,
Oh no! What do you mean? There's no more stuff.
Oh, we're all done.
Oh, all
Oh.
done. Oh.
Get it.
Okay. Okay.
Was
You-
that fun?
You want to show Don, Mr. Don, your Lego train set?
yeah.
How to get to Sesame Street? Can you tell me how to get? Yay! Say hi, Daddy.
Hi, Daddy.
Are you playing piano like Daddy? Huh? Are you playing piano?
Maybe connection.
Build it again?
Yes.
She'll pay a price. But is it helpful, even remotely, to believe that?
So A, B, C,
Oh, yeah.
D, E, F.
Yes.
What's the next one? It's G, right? Where's G?
Needs to back off.
That's
Don't let him draw you into
No, that's not G. G's over here with the gorilla on it. You see it over here?
My mother is.
Right there.
But don't let them use this.
Right there. There's G. There's GHI.
She will.
How did she end up with that picture anyway?
What's that?
I don't know. What is it? That's right. You're right. It was T and S.
A lot. Pretty sure about that.
Hmm.
Equals. So,
First snap that damn picture.
That's perfect. Oh, 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 oh,
um,
oh, no.
oh no. We got this.
Yes, that's the one. Perfect. Very good. I love it.
We all
I can knock it over. I'm gonna knock it over.
Oh, but first you got to build it, huh?
Yes. First, I can build it and knock it. First, there is this. This. Uh-oh. We gotta put this. Oh, we gotta move this.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Uh-oh. Oops. I gotta build it. So.
But we need to leave. You got to go home now.
No, I don't want to go home.
I know, sweetie, but we need to go home so you can take your nap. It's time.
No, it's not time for nap.
I think it
No,
is.
it's chula.
Uh-oh. It's what? What's the word? You say, okay, Grammy. Okay, here we go.
It is your destiny. Don't make me destroy you.
Hi there, Vader.
I am the master. If you only knew the power of the dark side.
Hi there, Vader.
So, you have accepted the truth.
Hi there, Vader.
Is Darth Vader a good guy?
Mhm.
He's a good guy?
Mhm.
Yeah.
Give me a kiss there, Vader.
Mwah.
Hi there, Vader.
You are too cute, honey. There we go.
Hey, Granny. Play with Darth Vader, Granny.
Well, that's for...
Be honored if you would join us.
What does he sound like?
Let me put all the trash out.